What? Okay, I'm coming. What the fuck is that sound? Hold on. Taco Bell. Taco Bell. Okay. Fuck. Oh shit! It's red light. Damn. There it is over there. Okay, I see it. Sweet. All right. I think I'm following the storm. I don't know, but sure seems like it, don't it? Whew. Goddamn girl. Sideways. Do you see that? You see how it's sideways? It's not normal. It is really weird. I had a piece of lightning. I wish I would have caught it on camera. Fucking bolt of lightning fell right in front of me. And I was at the Subway trying to pick up that kid's food. Oh boy. Fucking water everywhere. What the fuck? Alright, let's see.